Hey friend, it's me Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna construct a giant dragon using all of these cardboard boxes behind us. It's gonna be so fun. Let's get started. We can use this big yellow ladder here and some pieces of wood to build a structure so we can make some giant wings that spread out really big. And then we can use these cardboard boxes to build the body. Let's get building. This is turning out so cool. Now we can paint it. Now painting is one of my favorite parts because it really brings everything to life. Now we're gonna paint our dragon a really cool yellow color, and we'll go in and add all sorts of cool details with different colors. Let's go. We've got our yellow hose here, and I ran this yellow hose all the way through its mouth and down its neck. We can bring it all the way over here by Bill. All right, Bill has got our fog machine. See? And we can connect our hose here, and we can watch it go all the way through the hose, out the dragon's mouth like he's breathing fire. Whoa, how awesome. We had so much fun pretending to be knights and slaying the dragon. And seeing our dragon at night with all of the cool lights on. Let's build. Whoa, that was so much fun. I can't believe we built this dragon all out of cardboard boxes and all by ourselves. You know, you can make a dragon at home too. And it doesn't have to be crazy and big like this. You can make things with stuff that you have around the house. We'll show you how. To make your own dragon at home, start with couch cushions and make a big pile for the body. Then cover it with colorful blankets and add some sheets or blankets on the sides to be the wings. You can add more pillows and blankets for the tail and then roll up all sorts of towels and add them all around for some fun details. Just get creative and see what you can come up with. You can even add a construction paper eyeball to give it a face. And we liked to add extra fabric to make it look like he's breathing fire with red, orange, and yellow. And there you go. You can even pretend to ride on your dragon, like you're riding through the sky, flying. Whoa. Give it a try. Or you can try making your own dragon wings at home. We'll show you how we made that craft in another video. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we had so much fun building stuff with you here in Tinkerland. And we hope you'll come back and visit us real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy building. There's lots more fun projects over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. We're building all sorts of crazy creations out of cardboard boxes. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.